Those hotshot real estate agents you see closing deals across Dubai? They're already being replaced. AI just hasn't announced it yet. This isn't a distant forecast. The shift has already begun. Let's start with a case study from Austin, Texas. A mid-sized developer tested an AI sales agent on a 50-unit luxury condominium project. The AI handled buyer screening, personalized virtual tours, dynamic pricing, and contract follow-ups. The results were hard to ignore. The sales cycle shortened by 34%. The cost per sale dropped from a 3% commission to just 0.8%. That's more than $11,000 saved per transaction. And the number of human agents involved? 0. This is the new math. When AI can manage discovery, pricing, and negotiations at a fraction of the cost, the traditional economics of real estate start to break down. And here's why this matters locally. Mohammed Alabar, founder of Emaar, has publicly noted that AI could replace a significant share of roles currently performed by expatriates in the UAE, including in real estate, within years, not decades. That means what happened in Austin isn't a foreign experiment. It's a blueprint already being studied by major developers and brokerages across the region. The evidence is everywhere. AI property matching systems learn buyer preferences around the clock. Automated valuation models price assets with increasing precision. Lead bots qualify prospects before a human even starts the day. Negotiation engines simulate thousands of deal scenarios in seconds. But the real disruption isn't the technology itself. It's who controls the customer relationship. Why would a developer in Dubai Marina or a brokerage in Abu Dhabi pay a traditional commission when they can own the customer journey end-to-end with their own AI agent? At dramatically lower cost, 3 roles sit on the front line. The listing agent, challenged by valuation algorithms. The buyer's agent, challenged by AI that never sleeps. The transaction coordinator, challenged by pure workflow automation. So what still requires humans? Emotional intelligence during complex or stressful life transitions. Creative deal-making for unique, high-value assets. Hyper-local judgment where data remains imperfect. But even here, AI doesn't disappear. It becomes the assistant. The future belongs to hybrid professionals. Those who work with AI, not against it. If you're in real estate, development, or PropTech in the UAE or beyond, this isn't a trend to watch. It's a structural shift to navigate. The window to adapt is still open, but it's closing faster than most expect. Do you think AI will replace real estate agents or redefine what actually adds value? Follow Resalat for clear insights on AI, strategy, and industry change.